Hello, my name is Dr. Chris Reynolds, and welcome to HLSS502 Homeland Security and Defense. Over the next 8 weeks, we're going to talk about Homeland Security. This course offers a comprehensive overview of key elements of the United States Homeland Security program. This overview will have students examining, discussing, and analyzing Homeland Security operational as well as policy concerns with the attacks in the aftermath of September 11th. Now, it's important that you do a couple things for this class immediately before we get started. If you look along the left-hand margin of your screen, you'll see several tabs. One of these tabs says Syllabus. Go ahead and click on the Syllabus tab, download it, and read it. This will give you an idea of what we're going to be doing over the next 8 weeks, and it also allows you to kind of stay ahead of the game. Also along the left-hand tab, you'll see you'll see a tab called Forums. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll note that each week we have a forum. Now this week's a little odd because we've actually got 2 forums. We've got an introductory forum where I'd like for you to log in. I'd like for you to tell us about yourself, tell us about your background, tell us about your goals, your Homeland Security goals, or your overall career goals in dealing in emergency management or Homeland Security. Take a few moments also and welcome your peers to the class. Now the second forum for week 1 actually asks a question that requires your analysis. So go ahead and click on that at some point and also answer that. Now remember that there are a total of 3 postings per week that are required. You have an initial post that has to be in by Thursday of the assignment week by midnight. You then have 2 follow-on posts that have to occur within that same week to 2 of your peer students. And those have to be posted before Sunday at midnight of the assignment week. And I generally try to obviously stay engaged in those and work with everybody, but also provide my inputs, and I generally do this in the form of a summary posting, listing the high points of everyone's comments that they made. Now, go ahead also and look at the Assignments tab and click on that, and you'll notice that in week 6 we have a research paper assignment. Now your topic can be any element of any of the items that we are discussing in this class. And we've got a wide array of topics, everything from general Homeland Security, policies and procedures, to cybersecurity, agro-terrorism, suburning. There are a number of things that you can write about. And my experience has taught me the sooner you make a decision on your topic, the better you'll be to get started on it. And of course, you can always get a hold of me and ask for my input, and I welcome you to do that, by the way. So, over the next 8 weeks, we're going to have a busy class. We're going to learn a lot of neat information. I plan to learn as much as you, obviously. We're all peers in this career field together. I spent about 35 years in the Homeland Security and Emergency Management arena, as well as 21 years in the Air Force as a commissioned officer. So, again, welcome to the class, and I'll look forward to working with everybody over the next 8 weeks.